Contractors, are you claiming all of your allowable expenses?
Here's what you can and can't claim for through your limited company.
So Jack, what makes an expense an allowable expense?
For an expense to be an allowable expense, the expense would have to be wholly and exclusively for business use.
So what we're saying, if it has a dual purpose, it's likely not going to be allowable via the business.
Yes, that's absolutely correct. So the sort of expenses that we tend to look at are subscriptions, accountancy fees, office equipment, computer software.
Yep, you might have pension contributions as an example, one of the most tax efficient expenses that we would recommend to our contractor clients.
Mobile phone's a good one, as long as it's in the company name.
Yeah, training's another good one, has to be relevant though to the existing trade of the business.
Use of home is another expense that you can claim for through your limited company. So you can either claim for the £6 per week allowance or basis on actual bills.
Trivial benefits again is another good one, £650 gifts per year. A lot of our clients go down the voucher route, Amazon vouchers, local supermarkets, that kind of stuff.
Closely aligned to staff entertainment, so you can actually claim £150 per head. If you had a Christmas party, for example, if you had 5 employees, that'd be £750 that would be a tax deductible expense for your corporation tax.
Yeah, and again, so we're finding clients go for multiple events during the year now. One in the summer, as an example, alongside the Christmas party, and it just means you split the 150, so it might be £75 per event, so to speak. And then again, if we look at mileage, you can claim up to 45p per mile based on business miles, up to 10,000, reduces down to 25p per mile, after which resets each tax year as well. Travel costs, so if you're jumping on a train, anything in relation to the duty of carrying out your work, getting you from A to Z, then that will all be claimable as well.
You could look at lunch costs as well. So you can purchase your meals through your company on the basis that you are operating from temporary place of work.
Yeah, so Jack, I think you'll agree. It pays to know what's allowed as an expense. If you're unsure, speak to your accountant and they'll be able to guide you on what is and what isn't allowable.